Well done, Moss family. You are going through to play for every pound of that total. Well done. £76,634. Let's hear it for the Moss family. Well done, guys.
Come here, you lot. Come here, Carter. Oh! What happened at the end, Nicky?
Oh, was it like we couldn't get that last one in?
We could get the last three in, by the way. It's tough, that, isn't it? It's really tough. Like I said, communication is the key on that one. You have been absolutely brilliant here on the show tonight, and nobody leaves us empty-handed. You leave here with our best wishes and, of course, the push-the-button salt and pepper shaker.
Salt and pepper, not included.
We'd love to have you here. Have you enjoyed yourselves? Good stuff. Let's hear it one more time for the Carters.
Well done. Well done, Gillian. Well done, Dave. Well done to the family. In a moment, the Mosses will be playing to win £76,634. We will see if they can keep their heads and win that money right after this break. Don't go anywhere. See you in a minute.
Tonight's families are fighting it out for a huge cash prize. For your chance to win £5,000, take a look inside the soapy book of death. Coronation Street's Mike Baldwin is in the soapy book of death, but how did Mike kick the bucket? A. Heart attack. B. Run over. C. Murdered by a gangland boss.
Call 090 49 59 69 70. Calls cost £1 from BT landlines. Calls from other networks may be higher, and from mobiles will be considerably more. Or text A, B or C as your answer to 63360. Text costs £1 plus one standard network rate message. Sky and Virgin Media viewers press your red button or enter online for free at itv.com. Entrance must be 18 or over, and lines close at 6 p.m. on Saturday. Entries made after the closing time will not be counted but may still be charged. Good luck.
Welcome back to the final part of Push the Button, where the Mosses have beaten the Carters.
They finished with a massive total of £76,634 to play for, but to win that money, they've got to face Dave in the big push. Well done for making it through to the big push. Allow us to introduce, once again, Dave, which stands for Dynamic Audio-Visual Endgame. Dave is going to generate 5 musical sequences, one for each number of your total. All you have to do is listen and then repeat each sequence. To win £7, you have to repeat a 3-note sequence. To win £76, it is a 5-note sequence. To turn that into £766, it's a 7-note sequence. For £7,663, it's a 9-note sequence. And finally, for that jackpot of £76,634, it is an 11-note sequence.
You're allowed one mistake. If you make more than one mistake, you go home with whatever you've won so far. Is it all clear?
Yep.
OK? Please step inside, Dave. Right, let's play. Dave, for £7, can we have our first 3-note sequence? OK, guys, it's over to you. Well done. Well done. That's it. Off to a good start. You just won £7.
To turn that into £76, Dave, can we have a 5-note sequence, please? OK, when you're ready, it is over to you. Well done. £76 in the bank.
Well done, guys. OK, to turn that into £766, Dave, can we have a 7-note sequence, please? OK, guys, it's over to you. Good luck. You're doing very well. You just won £766.
£766. Well done.
You right there, Pat? Yeah, you with us? £766 in the bank. You're cooking with gas. Here we go. To turn that into £7,663, Dave, can we have a 9-note sequence, please? Guys, it's over to you. Bad luck, that is your one mistake. Dale pressed blue, it should have been Rich on red. But you've still got another chance. OK, here we go then. Dave, for £7,663, can we have a new 9-note sequence, please? Good luck, guys. When you're ready.
This is it. We're going for the full total now. Gillian, how are you feeling?
All right.
Yeah? You've done well so far. You've used your mistake, though, so no more mistakes. Rich, you all right?
Oh, God, I'm going to faint any minute.
It's very, very tense. It's a massive, massive amount of money. You all right, Pat? Good girl. OK, then, here we go. To turn that into an incredible £76,634. Dave, can we have an 11-note sequence? The very best of luck. It's over to you. Time for this week. For more push the button action, you can go to itv.com/push.
Thanks to both families. Let's hear for both families, everybody. Thanks for running with the scores, but most of all, thanks to you at home for watching. See you all again next week for more push the button. Good night, everybody.
No one has ever quite worked out what your talent is.
I am smitten with Mishcon.
Is she the one?
Are we about to see a very different side to Simon Cowell? Piers Morgan's Life Stories is next.